In today's video and podcast, I'm going to talk about why I love trading the longer time frame charts, all the benefits that it gives you and the results that it gives you too. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 517. And today I'm going to explain why I like those longer time frame charts. I'm at our one of my favorite places. It's coming up to the end of winter here in New Zealand, and I've just flown here today with my wife in the helicopter and just been to see some friends, and now we're about to go and have a bite to eat for lunch on the beach. And as you can see, there's I think there's two people here on the beach. That's it, and us. Why am I telling you this? Well, earlier this morning I took my daily trades for the day. 3 trades today off the daily charts. Yesterday I took a trade as well, and also one on the 8-hour charts yesterday. And then last night I took 3 trades on the 6 hours, and that was it for my trading yesterday. Reasons for trading those longer time frame charts means you only need to look like once or possibly twice within a day. Unfortunately, far too many people get caught up into the problem of feeling like they need to sit there watching 1-minute charts and 5-minute charts and 15-minute charts because they feel they should do. They load their charts up with all these pretty patterns, and it's just this complete utter information overload and clutter of dots and lines and arrows and different things on their charts because the brokers inundate you with all this technical analysis and you're convinced that that's what you have to use. Real traders pretty much ignore most of that. And that's the difference, I suppose, between people who get into it and think they're going to find some magic formula with hundreds of patterns all over their charts and dots and lines and crosses and things, and people who actually look at candle patterns and price action and use bigger picture analysis, and strength and weakness, etc. And there's so many benefits of trading those longer time frame charts. You know, people with families, with careers, with other things to do, travel, whatever it is, you can go and do that and trade full time and do really, really well from those longer time frame charts. So I look at the charts always at 5 p.m. New York time and make my analysis there based off the daily charts, and the beginning of each week off the weekly charts, beginning of each month off the monthly charts, and then every single day daily charts, and then I also look through 12, 8 and 6 at the same time. And you can do that all in 15, 20 minutes a day, done. And then personally for me, I look at the close of the the sort of 4, 6 and 12-hour charts, which is at 5 a.m. New York time. You don't have to be at your charts at that time, but it's just what suits me that second time, because you're getting 2 or 3 other time frame charts change over then. Longer time frames, more time to figure out what's actually happening. You're not using emotions, you're not rushing into trades stupidly. You're looking at what's really happening in the market and making your analysis. Plus it allows you to go and do stuff like this. I mean, look at this behind me here, absolutely stunning. Tide's out quite a way right now, but it's just, I'm going for a swim actually when I finish this. It just shows what can be done. You know, the other thing also, just to let you know, is that so many people think that just because you're on longer time frame charts, they cannot trade those time frame charts with smaller accounts. And again, that's not true also. So if you want to find out more, what I really suggest you have a look at doing, if you've not already jumped onto one of our call sessions with us, go and book a call to speak to myself or Paul or Mikolai or one of our team. And I'll put a link so you can do that, about a sort of 30, 40-minute conversation we're happy to have with people who are serious about looking at getting into trading. Don't do it if you're just there wanting some free stuff and you've got no real interest in wanting to learn for yourself. If you're there looking at trading as a serious option and you'd like to have a conversation with us to see how we can help you, to see if we're a good fit, good match, because we value all of our clients. We do everything we can to have our clients on board and make it work for them. So we're really proud of that community. So we want to keep it that way. It's really vital for us that we have an amazing community of like-minded traders from all around the world. So have a look at the link I'll put here. You can book up a conversation with us, with Paul in America and Mikolai in London, and some of the other team all around the world. You know, you can pretty much find a time that's going to suit you to have a chat with us. Lastly, if you're out there looking for a broker, have a look at Blueberry Markets. They're based over across that water, right there. About 3 hours flight that way, or plane flight anyway, in Australia. And they're a good bunch of people. And I've used Blueberry Markets since they started. Really impressed with them. And M24 and M25, lots and lots of different markets on M25 as well. So that's it for now. I'm off to have some lunch, go for a swim, and then fly back home. So I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.